In today's digital age, earning a substantial income from home is more achievable than ever before. With dedication, strategic planning, and leveraging the right opportunities, making $10,000 a month from home in 2024 is within your reach. Here's how you can do it. First, freelancing. Freelancing lets you capitalize on your skills and experience. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer opportunities in writing, graphic design, and web development. Deliver high-quality work, build a solid reputation, and specialize in a niche to command higher rates. Second one, remote employment. Many companies now offer well-paying remote positions in tech, customer service, and consulting. Websites like remote.co and FlexJobs list numerous opportunities. Target roles in high-demand areas to secure a steady income. 3. E-commerce and dropshipping. Running an online store is easier with platforms like Shopify. Start with dropshipping, which requires minimal investment. Identify trending products, set up your store, and market effectively. With dedication, you can scale your business to generate significant revenue. 4. Online courses and coaching. Share your expertise by creating and selling online courses on Teachable or Udemy. Offer one-on-one coaching to supplement your income. By helping others, you build a steady revenue stream. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn commissions on sales through referral links. Join affiliate programs via Amazon Associates or share a sale. Leverage a blog, YouTube channel, or social media to generate passive income. 6. Investing. Explore stock trading, real estate, or cryptocurrency investing. Use platforms like Robinhood and Coinbase. With proper research and risk management, investing can provide substantial returns. 7. Content creation. Create content on YouTube, TikTok, or a blog. Ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales can add up quickly. Focus on producing engaging, high-quality content. Consistency and authenticity are key to growing your income. In conclusion, reaching the goal of $10,000 a month from home is about smart work. Identify your strengths and passions, develop a plan, set clear goals, and stay disciplined. Success requires persistence, learning from failures, and continuous improvement. Believe in yourself and your ability to create the life you desire. The opportunities are vast, and the potential for growth is immense. With the right mindset and actions, you can achieve financial freedom and enjoy the flexibility of working from home. Keep pushing forward, and your efforts will pay off.